degrees weather. Carol, good morning. What a beautiful view.
Isn't it stunning, Ben? Good morning, everybody. This is one of our Weather Watchers pictures. It was taken a little bit earlier in Staffordshire. We've got some blue skies. Across the central swathe of the country, it's sunny at the moment, but we still have some fog across parts of the east, and we've got some rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. That's heading south. So the weather is still very changeable, and it's going to turn more unsettled towards the end of the week. Now, for some of us, it's half term. And if it is for you and you're wondering what the weather's going to be like where you are or where you're going, don't forget, you can check it out on our BBC Weather app. It will tell you by the hour, by the day, and also by the week. Now, whilst we go through the course of the next few days, we've got various systems sitting in the Atlantic that are coming our way. This one is affecting us at the moment, and it's been producing some heavy rain across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. It sinks south as a weak feature, then in they romp from the Atlantic, one after the other. The rain has been heavy as it's been drifting across Scotland and continuing to push eastwards out of Northern Ireland, and you can see it's extending down through parts of Wales and southwest England as well. The fog will lift quite rapidly now. We'll have some sunshine ahead of this weather front, and as this weather front sinks southwards, it's going to weaken all the time, being not much more than a band of cloud, some patchy light rain behind it. And then you can see too, a lot of sunshine, blustery showers in the northwest. These white circles represent the average wind speeds. The gusts will be a little bit more and not as mild as yesterday when West Wales saw highs of 16.4. Today we're looking at about 14 degrees. Now, by the end of the day, our next clutch of fronts will be coming in from the Atlantic. Overnight, they're going to produce all this cloud, some rain, some hill and coastal fog, and murky conditions generally away from the far north of Scotland, where we'll have clear skies, and this is where we'll also have the lower temperatures. Tomorrow then we start off with all this cloud, the rain mostly light, pushing away into the North Sea. There'll be some dankness left behind it, but through the day we'll see some holes punched in that cloud, particularly to the east of any hills. So we'll see some brightness, but it will still be breezy across southern England and still sunny across northern Scotland. But you can see once again, we're not too far away from our next fronts coming in. Now, during Thursday night, this rapidly deepening area of low pressure is going to cross the north of the country. You can see the weather front attached to it. That's sinking southwards, taking its rain with it. But as it bumps into high pressure, it's weakening. Behind it, we're in colder air. We'll see some showers, and some of those will be wintry. But it's the wind that will be the main feature during the course of Friday. Gales or severe gales, particularly in the north and west of Scotland, but eastern Scotland and northeast England could have gusts of wind up to 70 miles an hour. That's likely to lead to some disruption. Ben and Nina.
It does, doesn't it? A clutch of fronts. That's quite hard to say, but I love your descriptions this morning, Carol. Thank you.
Bless you. Thanks, Ben.
And we're very pleased that it's a few degrees warmer, aren't we, this week?
Aren't we just?
Time now for last